Hi guys! A belated Happy New Year to you all, wishing you a year full of love, joy, happiness and abundance. I'm hoping you're all having a great start to 2024. As expected, I'm back with my Glossybox unboxing for Jan 2024 and I'm just going to get straight into it. So these are all the products I have received this month. So this month's theme is around well-being, and on the Glossybox website it states, refresh your personal care routine for 2024 with our January edit. This month's special curated self-care box features 5 items worth over £53, including products from up and coming CBD brand OTO and Molten Brown. And then it just goes on to talk about the subscription box. Here is our QR code to scan, so let's scan this. So as usual, we have the contents page, the editor's note, and the story behind the box. Then it goes on to give us a full reveal of all the products we will receive, and then it gives us some articles around fitness beauty. So the note from the editor states, "Hello Glossies, welcome to 2024. January's theme encourages you to relax, refresh and recharge while discovering your inner beauty. Our curated box offers tools for resetting and embracing positivity. Break new ground fearlessly with our transformative product selection, show them off and express your unique radiance. Here's to a month of self-care and embracing your beauty, love, Team Glossy." And then the story behind the box goes on to state, well-being. Glossies, step into 2024 with our January wellbeing box, your key to a perfect beauty routine. This box is a reminder to slow down, reset and positively impact your skin and body care routines. Discover your boundless potential and let January's box be your catalyst for a year of self-discovery. We are by your side with an inspiring product selection and bring you refreshing makeup ideas for the new year. So the first product we have received is a Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel, which is deluxe size and worth £5. I do remember receiving one of these in a previous box. I can't remember if it is January or a different box, but I think it may have been in a different scent too. So this is Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel, and it's a bath and shower gel. So I'm just going to give it a little scent. It smells very fresh. I kind of feel like it's more of a masculine scent, but you know. Next we have received the O2O deluxe size CBD hand cream, which is worth £19. This hand gel contains shea butter, olive oil and aloe vera gel, which all helps with intense moisturising of the skin but also helps prevent UV light damage. Now this came in perfect time as I have literally just run out of hand cream, so let's give this a go. I made a right mess here. As soon as I opened it, it kind of oozed out. But, oops. This is what the hand cream looks like. I'm just going to moisturise. This hand cream has an underlying herb scent, which would probably be the CBD in the hand cream. It kind of has a thick but smooth texture, so it does feel quite nourishing, but it feels like it's added a barrier to the skin rather than absorbed it in. But maybe that's just my opinion on this. On the back of here, it does say, nourish dry hands day after day, infused with pure OTO CBD, aloe vera, sweet almond and holy basil oils to help moisture, soften and protect the skin. Oh my god, it would have been the basil that would have had the hint of scent as well. Next we have the Glow on the 5th gel under eye patches, which are worth £11.3. So these are gel eye patches, and on the back of here it says, a pack of 2 under eye patches that minimise the appearance of puffiness and dark circles on tired looking eyes in just 15 minutes. And it gives the suggested uses, so you remove the patch from pouch and remove top and bottom clear protective liners, and then after cleansing place the patches onto the skin and adjust to fit comfortably under the eyes. Remove the patches after 15 minutes, do not rinse it out. And then it says pat extra serum onto the skin. So this is great to add in your self-care routine on a nice relaxing Sunday. Then we have the Gram Deluxe size Pulse Point Rollerball Deep Relaxation, which is worth £12. So this is a Pulse Point roller which helps you relax and sleep. On here it states, find your peaceful place at night and even throughout the day. Rich woody aromas around you while lavender and chamomile soothe the nervous system. And then it tells us roll onto the pulse points at the temples, neck and wrist, or apply behind the ears. So you can definitely smell the lavender, that's so strong, and the woodiness, and this is great for people who struggle to relax or sleep because this will work. So this is what it looks like. It's got a metal roller ball at the end and you just use that to roll on your skin. Let's give it a try. So I've just done one roll, literally one across and one back, and then I'm going to tap it across to my other wrist, like so. And there you go, it's kind of absorbed in my wrists already. Now if I give it a smell, so you can definitely smell the lavender in it. It's so strong and it will definitely help you relax or go to sleep if you struggle, and it does have woody base nuts on there. In terms of like texture of the formula here, it doesn't feel oily and it doesn't feel greasy, but also it doesn't feel quite liquidy. I feel like it's just absorbed into the skin. Now I do think that is dependent on how much you wear. I've literally just done one roll on and back, so maybe that's why, but I wouldn't recommend any more with that. I mean, on the back of it doesn't tell you how much you need to use, but again, my recommendation is just a roll because it does smell really strong. And if you're going to use it on your wrist, neck and temples, then that would be more than enough to help you relax. And finally, we have the Daily Concept body scrubber, which is worth £16. So this is a body scrubber. It's in like a powdery blue colour. At the back it's just plain silicone with a little loop to put your finger through, and then at the front it's got all these textured little spikes coming off, which gives you great exfoliation on the skin. Again, this is something we have received previously. If I recall, it was in the red, but I can't quite remember. But it is actually quite good for rubbing and meant exfoliating the skin, so add a bit of body wash on there and exfoliate the skin. Oh, I forgot to mention that this is 100% silicone. So after you've used it, rinse off any soap, shower gel or anything that you've used on here so it is clean, and then you just leave it hanging in your bathroom or shower just to air dry, and then again it's ready to use next time, just like so. So guys, this brings me to the end of my unboxing. These are all the products I have received. As I read earlier, on the Glossybox website it states that all the products are worth over £53. Now I have recalculated this and I come to a sum of £63.03. I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed watching it, so thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already done so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Take care for now. Bye!